Good morning student and welcome to your English literature class. Students, as you know, this lesson I read and I explain in Zoom classes also. But today I am making this video for you. Today I will read and explain this lesson again through this video. So all of you please pay attention. Take out your book and open your poem Wake Up. This is your first poem of unit 1. Okay, now let's start poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. Second page. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. The tiniest chicken chip, chip, chip. Wake up. C. Fletcher. C. Fletcher is the poet of this poem. Now the explanation of this poem. Okay, this is the poem about morning time. What we do in the morning? In the morning we get up, we leave our bed and we get up and start our daily routine. In this poem there is a child who is saying to all to wake up. Okay, the child is saying wake up, it's a lovely day. Lovely means very beautiful. Lovely means very beautiful and you can say attractive also. The child is saying it is a very attractive and very lovely day. Wake up means get up. Oh, please get up. He is saying oh please, he is requesting. Please is a requesting word. He is requesting to get up to everyone and come and play. What the child want? The child want to play. So he is requesting to all, come, please come outside and play with me. The boy is saying the birds are singing in the trees. As you know, where does the bird sit? A bird sits on a tree ना, पेड़ में बैठती है ना चिड़िया. The bird is saying, the boy is saying, this child is saying, the birds are singing in the trees. The bird started singing. It means the bird has wake up and bird start singing and you can hear the buzzing bees. The child is saying to who is sleeping, he is saying birds is singing in the trees and the bees means honey bees start buzzing. Buzzing is the sound of bees, sound of honey bees, and bees also start buzzing, मतलब वो भी जाग चुकी हैं मधुमक्खियाँ. Next, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The child is saying, all of you wake up and come outside and please play with me. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepyhead. The boy is saying, it is too late. Everyone has wake up. Everyone have wake up. सब जाग चुके हैं. It is so late. Too late means so late. So don't lie in the bed. Leave your bed and hurry up. Hurry means do things more quickly than normal. मतलब quickly, you get up quickly, you leave your bed quickly, you sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means a lazy person. Sleepyhead means lazy person के लिए we use sleepyhead this word. Okay, तो don't do lazy, leave your bed and come outside and play with me. Wash and dress. Wash means take a bath and put on your dress, your clothes and come on out and come outside. He is telling to the lazy person, वो जो आलसी लोग सो रहे हैं ना अभी तक, उनको वो बता रहा है बच्चा, everyone is up and about. सब जाग चुके हैं. everyone means सब जो भी हैं. कौन कौन जाग चुके हैं? The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. All these are wake up. And the tiniest chicken, even the tiniest chicken means baby of a bird or baby of a hen, वो भी जाग चुके हैं. And they start chip chip chip. Chip chip is the sound of chickens. Okay, wake up. So you also wake up and come outside and play with me. Understand? Now my dear student, it was the explanation of this poem, and today I am also giving you work on ourselves. As you know, हम पहले भी देते थे. Just like that, अभी आपका स्टार्ट वर्क अरसल में स्टार्ट हो चुका है. So note down your work from the arsal of this poem. Wake up. Okay. Now thank you, student. Bye.